welcome back to our YouTube channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. We'll be making bole, roasted plantain today, and roast fish. We will be using all these ingredients. This one is seasoning to taste: ginger, garlic, paprika, salt, black pepper, and curry. And we'll be using this one, cilantro, green onions, and we'll be using 1.5 bell pepper. I will be using bonnet pepper. These three. We'll be using medium size of onions and the plantain. So I will start by peeling up the plantain and then grind all these ingredients. So I cut the plantain off and then take off the skin. So that's what I just did, and I will start preparing it immediately I finish taking off the skin. Thank you. So I grind all the things I need to grind together. So now we'll be adding all these things together, mix them. I'm just cutting it a little bit so the spicy can go inside. I need all the ingredients inside. I will just put this one in here and I start putting the plantain. I will just put them in an air fryer for like 25 minutes. Okay. You see, I set it to fish on 25 minutes and then this just 15 minutes. One side of the plantain is ready. So I'm just try to turn it. Now I finished changing the plantain. I now put the fish upside of it and then put the plantain that side, the downside, so both of them can cook together at the same time. Okay, I'll just take this one out. I'm just flipping. One side is ready. Thank you so much for staying with us. This is the end of the video. The salad, the way I make my salad is just a regular one you buy in the supermarket and just mix it together with your mayonnaise at home. And then I really get it right for the bole. I really like the way the plantain turned out to be. This is how the fish turn, a little bit darker, but very crunchy. The fish is very tasty. This is how the plantain look at inside. So yeah, well, the fish turn a little bit darker. That because of the ingredients we use inside, and then the way I roast it too. So but it's very tasty and crunchy. So thank you so much for helping us to share and your comment, and we do appreciate. And have a nice day. And I really appreciate you guys for staying with us as you subscribed, and God bless you. And yeah, thank you so much. Bye.